Hey, may pips be upon you. I'm going to embarrass myself right now. I sent this saying that, oh, my inverted head and shoulders failed, and it didn't complete it, and I got shook off here, with a break even trade, and I was just waiting for it to come down here so I can take it long. That was my setup. Uh, the inverted head and shoulders did not fail. So let's get rid of this, and let's get rid of the astonished face. I'm going to keep it real with you. And maybe if I allowed myself to get some sleep, I would have seen that not every head and shoulder is a perfect freaking head and shoulder. Sometimes it comes off tilted a little bit, right? And if I had been looking at it the proper way, I could have seen that this was going to be my area, not this. And that would have completed a nice short. And I could have took my long from here once this bullish engulfer uh, grabbed a hold of everything. So now what do? I don't sit here and wallow in my silliness because I'm a donut. What I do is I look for a pullback, and I'm hoping that it comes back, and I believe it will, comes back and retest this support here. You can see the wick here. You see the wick there. You can see the closes and openings here. I'm pretty sure it's going to come back here, and we can take this to TP1 at the top here. All right, this will be TP1 right by 17149, call it 17150. And then, oh man, and then we could target this high. This is the high I want to target. We might have some issues here because this is a strong area of resistance, but I'm targeting here. So, if I can catch it here, that'd be great, because I think this is a range area that price will want to dance around in a little bit. So I'm looking for the retest here. Let me draw it out for you again. All right, looking for the retest here at some point, and then we take TP1, TP2 at 17345, and make this one TP3 at 174351. All right, because this is going to be a strong area, and our final TP would be here at 1.7585. Okay, I will see you in the next video. My apologies for steering you a little off course, but hopefully the smarter traders than me have caught this and took it to and caught this bullish move. And I'll talk to you in the next video.